This is the construction for a tangent line to a circle through a given point. So I'm going to start with a circle on my paper, and I'm going to mark the center of my circle. You should be able to see that based on where your compass point was. And I'm also going to draw a radius. Okay, so there's my radius. Let's call this circle O, and I've got point P. And I want a line tangent to the circle through point P. So this much so far would be given to me already, and then I would just have to construct that tangent line. So we need to know that a tangent is perpendicular to the radius, where it intersects the radius. So we want a tangent line through point P. We need the tangent line to be perpendicular to our radius. So we're going to use the perpendicular bisector construction. And in order for our line to go through point P, I actually need to extend my radius so that point P is the midpoint, because a perpendicular bisector goes through the midpoint of the segment. So I'm just going to make this longer. And I'm going to measure the length of the radius from O to P, and then I'm going to mark that distance off again on my line. So I just measured this so that P is in the middle, it is the midpoint of this segment. Now I'm just going to use this segment to construct the perpendicular bisector. So compass point there, I'm going to open my compass so it's more than halfway. Draw my arc. I'm going to do the same thing from the other point. And then where those two arcs intersect is my line. And again, you'll notice that my tangent line goes right through point P, and it is perpendicular to the radius.